Little AZORAI, Miracle AZORAI. I'm going to take a biopsy out of her mouth. She got about 4 ounces of milk. So I'm going to give her an ounce and then I'm going to burp her. She loves her milk. Oh, Pumpkin. Now we're going to burp little AZORAI so she can burp.
Wait, go.
Give her some more milk. Gosh, she might be hungry. AZORAI, that should be enough.
Again.
Burp AZORAI again. Come on, give me another one. Good girl. Mwah. Give you your passy.
And that's the end.
And we're gonna lay you down, Mama. Okay.
This is baby AZORAI.
Look at her little feet.
She is the cutest baby.
Look at them little toes.
We had, my mom had Erica to make her baby. The cutest baby in the world. We thank Erica for making this baby for my mom and my father.
Yeah,
Thank you for watching.
There you go, AZORAI.
Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video.